What up, YouTube? Let me fix that right quick. Hold up. There you go. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay from over here at Jay's Place. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Let me get my life together. All right. Hey, today is a very special day over here on the channel. I actually got a few things that I'm gonna be able to unbox for you guys today. Number one is something that I've been wanting for a while now, to actually kind of help my channel out a little bit. And then I guess one of the things is a early Father's Day gift. So we got a Apple Watch Series 5 with GPS and cellular. We're gonna get into that in a minute. Got the 4 on as we speak. You know, however you feel about that. But this right here is the biggest thing today that I'm gonna be getting into. Hey man, look, do me a favor while y'all over here. Take a brief second while I struggle with this COVID-19 tape. And go ahead and subscribe, man. Make sure you thumbs up the video. Appreciate those of you that have been rocking with me and still rocking with me. I just dropped a CBD video, so y'all make sure y'all go catch up on that. You feel what I'm saying? Let me get off into this thing right here. Yeah. Let me see. Take to reseal box for your device return if I want to return it. Y'all see what it is. Yeah, iPad Pro unboxing. Let me see. That's the activate, blah, 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 return. Let's see. Okay. It's the Apple iPod Pro 13, I'm guessing. I don't know. But anywho's, all of that readable crap out the way. Here she is. 256 gig iPad Pro, 12.9 inch, 4th generation Wi-Fi plus cellular. Just in case, you know, just spin it around for y'all a few good times. Man, I almost dropped this thing, boy. Y'all, I've seen a lot of iPads, and I'm not gonna even stunt. Let me find something. I can't think of nothing. Okay, TV remote, iPad. Like, this is a big ass iPad. Hadn't really seen too many really big ones. You know, Apple got the little signature side peel that you get to actually help you get in it. So we're gonna get in this thing and see what it do. Y'all might say, dang man, dude, I do like Apple. I really do. Once I changed from Droid to Apple, I didn't look back. You know, there's no shade to Droid, nothing against Droid. It's just my personal preference. So, you know, to each his own. You got the top off. Inside of the box, see the signature peel tab from Apple. So we lift up on that. Let me do that again for y'all. Lift up on the tab, it comes out of the box. Inside of the box after that, well, let's see what that was, shall we? Okay, y'all know I'm goofy. Y'all been over here for a minute. Charger block. And for those of you who also have, I think it's the iPhone 11. Yeah, iPhone 11. I got the Max Pro or whatever it is. It's the same charger block. It's not the USB charger block. So you have the, I want to say these are the C, USB-C type charger or whatever, and that's all in the box. So let's go inside of here. Designed by Apple in California, as always. Got the fancy, as always, Apple stickers in there. Okay, so there's that. The iPad Pro, kind of like a how-to guide. Let's go into it right quick. Tells you what the button controls are, the Apple Pencil, Nano SIMs card, or activate the eSIM, and I was right, it's the USB-C connector. Tell you what a power on, power off is, and the smart connector for compatible accessories to the iPad Pro. So, nice little intro, shows you about it. On the front side, on the back side, it says you can enable Face ID, your home, your control center, your dock, tips, and the Apple switcher. So I'll be looking at those as I enter my journey. Then you have all of the safety handling, all of that good stuff nobody ever pays any attention to. This is to pop out the SIMs card and to put a SIMs card in. So let's get it cracking. We're gonna go ahead and actually, before I pull off all this pretty little covering they got, I want to show you guys something else that I got to go along with my iPad. I wanted to get the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard Folio. That way I can kind of more so use it as like a laptop feel. You see what I'm saying? So that's something that I got for it. Let me see on here. There are 3 little dots, if y'all can see them. Let me see. See these 3 dots here? They actually connect to my portfolio back here. So that's when I was going over this where is it? It's on the other side. When I was going over and I said it had the smart connector, smart connector right there. See the green? Let me see. Probably won't show you, but it's some green dots. If you can see it, there they go. See those green dots? That's where the connector connects to your accessories or whatnot. So we're gonna peel this up. Of course, y'all know I like space gray, so went ahead and got that. Slide it out of here. And just having it in my hand, y'all see that? Space gray. It automatically is like, put me in a case, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna power it up, I don't think. No, I'm not gonna power it up just yet. I wanna show y'all how it sits in the portfolio. So let me try to get that done right quick before Julian starts calling me to death. All right, so here you have the keyboard on the portfolio deal. And if I'm not mistaken, let's see, it goes like that. And it kind of weirdly magnetizes itself there. And there you have it. See that? It's pretty dope. And as you see, it's pretty much stuck in that spot until you forcefully take it off. And there it is, closed. Camera, tablet. So, like I said, I'm gonna charge it up and get that going. And for the unboxing on the Apple Watch Series 5 GPS with Celia, you know, you gotta come back over here, fool with your boy. I just showed y'all an exclusive of what's up next. See, the people that don't watch my channel, don't watch my videos, they ain't gonna know until I drop it. You feel what I'm saying? But y'all know what's coming next. It's your boy Jay. And like I always tell y'all, be easy. And if you can't be easy, just be easy at it. And I'm gone.